This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light bulbs. Unclip the lower and upper access panels in the boot. Undo the inner fixings by hand and withdraw the cluster unit from the back of the car. As you pull the cluster off, you'll need to disconnect the wiring plug. Depress these locking tabs on the side of the bulb holder and withdraw the holder from the light cluster. The relevant bulb can then be renewed. All bulbs have a bayonet fitting. Note that some bulbs have offset locating pins to prevent them being installed incorrectly. Ensure that the bulb holder locates securely in position on the light cluster. Reconnect the plug and note the alignment pegs to secure the light cluster to the back of the car. Tighten the plastic retaining nuts. Replace the access panels. Unclip the single access panel in the boot. Remove the tyre repair kit and foam insert. Undo and remove both plastic inner fixings.